Departments and Categories Assistant. Set up a department window in AAAPOS RetailManager. In this video, we'll explore the Set up a department window in RetailManager's Departments and Categories Assistant. This is where you can add, edit, or delete departments, and specify how many categories each department will have. To add a new department, select Add New from the department name list. Type the name of the department, for example, footwear, and click OK. Each new department is automatically allocated 2 category fields by default. Repeat these steps for each additional department you want to add. Once your department is added, you can choose how many categories it should include, up to 3. Use the drop-down menu labeled, I want to set up category fields, to make your selection. To edit an existing department, select it from the department name list and click Edit. Make any necessary changes, such as updating the department name to Shoes, and click OK to save. To delete a department, select it from the list and click Delete. If the department has categories linked to it, RetailManager will warn you before continuing. When you delete a department that has categories, those categories are transferred automatically to the default department. Any stock items linked to those categories will still retain their category assignments. Click Yes to confirm deletion. You've now learned how to add, edit, and delete departments in RetailManager. Remember, departments organize your products at the highest level. You can assign up to 3 categories to each department. Deleting a department won't remove existing category data, it simply transfers it to the default department.